So here I've done my skin prep, and I'll start with my primer. I dot it on my face, and I rub it in. I let it sit up on my face, and then I go in with my foundation. So I don't want so much makeup, and I use just a light, and I have to blend it in to my skin and some part of my neck. Yeah. So then my concealer on the eye, I had to rub it in and in both sides of the eye. I use a lighter shade and a bit darker shade. I had to blend it also. I blended it in under my eye, gave me what I wanted, and then I went in again to blend it more. So my contour also to my forehead and to my chin to give me that bright color, So also blended it in. So I went in with my blush, just slightly at both sides of my cheek. Now I don't want too bright color, So a little bit touch up. Yeah. So after that, I had to blend that a bit in also. Yeah, a little. Yeah, so then I had to go in with some contour. Yeah, I had to contour some part of the face. Yeah, the forehead, the cheek, and my nose part. Yeah, some part here I didn't show. I think the nose part I didn't, but everything is just to contour and get that perfect nose contour, the cheek and the forehead. After which I went in with my setting powder, set the both under high, the nose, and then I was done with the setting powder. I left it there. I wet it with my brush. I had to brush my eyebrow because I was getting ready to draw my eyebrow. Yeah, so here I was drawing. I just want to get the perfect shape of my eyebrow, the way it was. Yeah, it was cut there. I don't want to start trimming, so I just went in with the exact shape of my brow. I drew the pencil. I had to draw the line to make it smooth and bring out the perfect color and the shape of my brow, which I did. Everything is there. So it was there, trying to get the perfect shape, here. My face is glamming already. You can see after the old pencil, I have to brush it up. You can see how beautiful it's looking already. Yeah, this video is just to, I'm not a pro, just showing you the little method I use for my own makeup. Went in with my powder. Yeah, the glamming is almost glammed. Yeah, so I think I'm left with my lipstick here and my eyeshadow. So right down now to my eyeshadow. Yeah, my heavy immaculate, easy immaculate. So I had to just, like, no time. I just had to, put some light color. I just want a natural look. I don't want too much. And here, I lighten my just a little bit on my nose, my head, the edge of my nose. Yeah. Then my pencil, lip liner to my lip to line it first. Don't mind the dark lip. Yeah. So then I went in with my lip palette to use the nude color. Yeah, nude for my lip. Yeah, I rubbed it in for some time, put some little gloss on it to make it shiny, a bit. Yeah, then I went in with my mascara on the upper eyelid and the lower. Yeah, that place I was I was a bit scared for my eyes. Yeah. So now to set it up with this shiny shimmer spray to glow up. Yeah. So basically that's where I ended my makeup. Then I had to loosen my edge and a little bit touch up on that part and loosen my hair down to show you the beauty I have made so far in this little minutes. I hope you are able to, pick one or two for those that are not pro like me. and you are ready to go, for any of your party. You look natural and sweet. And so, yeah, hope you enjoyed this and hope to see more. Yeah, so please like and share.